I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 11 of the document log from the matters screen using QBE or query by example to filter the document log. Right, so we select the matter on which we are going to work. I am going to use my matter ABC10001, and we come into the document log where we will see all the documents and emails and so on and so forth relating to the document, to this particular matter, as we can see by the heading. Right, now QBE stands for query by example. It is a really powerful search mechanism that allows you to extract various items on a matter based on common criteria. Okay, so in we go. Now, if we have a look at the column screen, these are all the various criteria that you can search on. So for example, email from. Let's say we were looking for specifically emails in this matter from a specific party, which is what we are going to use in this example. So we'll do this and then we will do another example also. Right, so selecting email from says that I want to find all the emails on this particular matter that have come from a specific person. Now in the operand column, we give further instruction to the program. How do you want it to search? Well, I would like the operand to be containing, which means I can put any series of characters in the email address in the value field and the program will search. Is equal to, I would need to put the exact email address. Begins with, I would need to put the beginning of the email address. Is not equal to, it's a negative search value, as is the does not contain. So show me everything that does not contain this particular grouping of letters. But for this example, I'm going to say contains, and I'm going to put in the, my email address. Now, because I've used contains, it could be Michelle Bentley at Legal Suite, Michelle H at Legal Suite, Michelle at Gmail, whatever. As long as it's got the word Michelle in it, the program will search for that email address. So I say add, and immediately I can see below the column that 8 records will be displayed. This means that the program has found 8 items containing the email address Michelle. So if I say proceed, my screen will now be filtered to show me emails and SMSs that have the word Michelle in it. So email and SMS, they fall under the same table in SQL. So these are all the SMSs, and we can see that they're outgoing, which means that these are emails from Michelle at Legal Suite sent via the program. And you can then open them up, forward them on, or use any of our functions at the top here. So please do have a look on the other various functions available to you in the document log. Right, so to clear the search, I simply click on the document on the QBE icon again. It says clear QBE filter. I then say cancel, and my document log will be returned to its original state. My second little example we're going to use direction. Okay, so that is it incoming, is it outgoing? So if I say direction is not, so is the positive search, is not is the negative value. I want to say is incoming. So this will effectively show me all the items that have been brought into the program from outside. I say add, and the program tells me that 24 records will be displayed. This means 24 items have been brought in. I say proceed, and these are all the items that have been brought in, have been dragged and dropped from outside of Legal Suite into this particular matter. Okay, and once again, I can use additional functionality to do what I wish with these items. And again, to clear the list, I go back to QBE, clear the QBE filter, say cancel, and my list is returned to its original state. So please do use the QBE feature for a more in-depth search on your document log.